Moikka! I am Mari from Taika Journals. Welcome to my channel. Today, let's make some whimsy frames for our journals. Ohuhu sent me this big pack of color markers. And while we do the frames, let's test these out. This package looks very interesting. So, let's open this. This pack has 120 color markers. And this is water-based ink, and it has vibrant colors, paper durability ensured, and non-toxic, which is very good. And there is a brush and a fine line, which is very nice for decorating. Let's open this. I like this bag. This is very good for traveling. You can carry this. Okay. Wow, these are really big markers. And there is the brush. And then there is the tip. I love this. So you can make the details very nicely with these. And then there are the color charts. And here is a lot of yellows for the summer, which is very good. And there are the pinks. And this is a nice collection of colors. There are so many shades, different shades of one color. And there are the blues and the purples and the turquoise and the greens. Wow, this is very impressive, this color collection. There are some neon colors too. And these are nice for the effects. And then there's the grays and the black and the brown. I love it. This is very good. And thank you, Ohuhu, for sending me this wonderful package of markers. But now, let's start to do the frames for journals. Let's start with the drawing. These are wonky, whimsy frames. The lines do not have to be sharp. These are more like on the relax side. So here is a frame. There. And then you can make another frame. And it can be a little bit rounder. And then you can add some whimsical decorations to the frames, like flowers, for example. Maybe some leaves, some whimsy shapes. Whatever comes to your mind. And other shaped flowers. And then another flower. You can make the decorations go all the way the frame. But I like to keep some of the frame showing there. And that is the first frame. And the same thing to the other frame. Just some basic shapes because you can add the details later. And it is so nice that these frames have flowers because summer is coming and it is so wonderful to use these throughout the summer journaling. And this way you can add all kinds of different shape frames and do the same kind of whimsy decorations to the frames. Yesterday I drew these digitally to a little bit thicker paper, so it is much more nicer to test these. And also when I cut these for the journal, so they are a bit sturdier. But yes, that is the way that I do my whimsy frames, and now let's test the Ohuhu markers and see how these turn out. Very, very nice colors. I love that there is the earth tones for the forest and nature pictures. And then there are the really bright colors too for the whimsy pictures. So in my opinion, this is a very good color set. Yes, but now let's start the frame coloring.
Now the coloring part is done, and I think these turned out very beautiful. And I think the markers performed very well, even though this is much thinner paper. For example, like this card, this is much thicker. So I think these performed very well. And there is a certain kind of lightness with these markers, because I usually tend to use a lot of acrylic markers, and these are kind of light compared to the acrylic markers. They are more like, how do you say, stuffy. Stuffy, and these are like very thin layers, and they blended very well, I think. And I cannot wait to start the decorations. Now I will use these with the fine tip, and then I will of course use my white acrylic marker, because I cannot do anything without my white dots. Yes, but even though these are very light to use, the pigment is amazing with these markers. If you are looking for a good marker set, I definitely recommend these. Yes, but a warm thank you to Ohuhu for sending me this lovely marker set. And I will leave more information to the description box if you want to go and check out more of this set. But let's start the decorating. What a fun color play this was. And I'm so happy to use these
in my spring and summer journalings. And there is that option that you can always do a little like landscape, little drawing and painting in these frames, or you can cut them and hang them on your art journal pages with a little string. Yes, but this set is now for sale on my Etsy shop if you want to color these yourself. There is the blanco version, and then there is this colored version in the package. And I will leave the link to the description box below. Thank you, Ohuhu, and thank you for watching. And a warm thank you also to the creative community over at Taika Journal's Patreon. Until next time, have a lovely week. Moi moi!